Vehicle headlamps have improved significantly over the years, improving road visibility and safety. The latest technology in headlight systems uses LED lights, which are brighter and more efficient than halogen or high-intensity discharge xenon bulbs. Even when your headlight bulbs are functioning correctly, the amount of light hitting the road can be significantly reduced due to oxidation or discoloration of the headlamp lenses. Fortunately, it's possible to restore the performance of your car headlamps without replacing the lens. Your technician will mask the body panels around the headlamp to avoid any accidental damage to the paint. Use specialized abrasives to remove the oxidized surface on the headlight lens, and then polish the light to restore a clear finish that allows the light from the bulbs to shine through clearly. With restored headlamp lenses, your nighttime view of the road will be much clearer, and your vehicle's appearance will also be refreshed.